Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top smartphones available under 50,000 PKR in Pakistan if you're looking for the best performance, cameras, or battery life without overspending. This video is just for you. From Xiaomi to Samsung and Tecno to Vivo, we've got a battle of the budget kings. Let's explore which one gives you the most value for your hard-earned money. 1. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 PKR 48,999. Why it stands out: this phone offers a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for smooth scrolling and multimedia consumption. It houses a 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, ensuring long usage without frequent recharges. Performance powered by a Snapdragon 685 chip, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Camera: 48-megapixel main sensor with additional lenses for depth and macro, ideal for casual photography. Great for those seeking a combination of performance, decent camera quality, and a vibrant display. 2. Samsung Galaxy A14 PKR 44,999. Why it stands out: Samsung delivers value in the A series with a 6.6-inch PLS LCD display and 50-megapixel primary camera. This phone is suitable for those who want Samsung's ecosystem without breaking the bank. Performance: Exynos 850 processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Battery: 5,000 mAh, offering solid battery life for typical usage. While the performance isn't flagship level, it offers enough power for everyday tasks and is supported by Samsung's polished One UI software experience. 3. Tecno POA 5 Pro PKR 46,999. Why it stands out: Tecno continues to deliver affordable performance with the 6.78-inch IPS LCD display and a modern design with RGB lighting. Performance: MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor with 256GB built-in storage. Battery: a 5,000 mAh battery, charged quickly via 68-watt fast charging. Camera: 50-megapixel primary lens, complemented by an AI sensor. This phone is an excellent pick for gamers on a budget, thanks to its fast charging and RGB aesthetics. 4. Vivo Y27 PKR 41,199. Why it stands out: a 6.64-inch FHD display with a 90Hz refresh rate ensures a fluid experience, especially for multimedia lovers. Vivo's software is known for optimized performance and photography features. Performance: MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with 8GB RAM. Battery: 5,000 mAh capacity with 44-watt fast charging. Camera: 50-megapixel primary shooter with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This phone offers excellent value for those who prefer sleek design and photography-centric features. 5. Infinix Note 30 PKR 44,999. Why it stands out: Infinix offers competitive specs with a 6.72-inch IPS display and a 64-megapixel main camera. This is a great choice for users looking for both performance and photography on a budget. Performance: Helio G99 chipset, coupled with 8GB RAM. Battery: 5,000 mAh, supported by 45-watt charging. Ideal for students and professionals, the phone balances decent performance and battery life. Conclusion: which one should you pick? If you prioritize gaming and performance, the Tecno POA 5 Pro is a solid choice with its fast charging and Dimensity chip. If camera quality and brand reliability are crucial, the Vivo Y27 or Redmi Note 12 offer great options. For software experience and build quality, the Samsung Galaxy A14 provides excellent value with Samsung's ecosystem. Each phone under 50,000 PKR offers a unique set of features tailored for specific needs, so choose based on your personal preferences and usage requirements. So there you have it, our top picks for the best smartphones under 50,000 PKR. Each phone has something unique to offer, whether it's gaming performance, camera quality, or sleek design. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest tech and budget-friendly recommendations. See you in the next video.